Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will share some useful cleaning methods on cleaning glass surfaces and windows with vinegar. On our channel we give you the best eco-friendly recommendations. Like and comment on this video if you wish to give the channel a heads up. You can also subscribe and share in order to help us grow and provide you with even more useful content. Eco-friendly home cleaning is important for the well-being of your family and the environment. The more people employ it, the better and greener tomorrow we will live in. Check out a prettier reflection of you in a shiny clean mirror and windows with this guide on how to clean mirrors and glass surfaces with vinegar. If you are disappointed by brand window cleaners, you are definitely not alone. Many people find that the expense is not worth the cleaning result, which leaves much to be desired. Well, there is no need to place your bet on such products. What you can do instead is use an all-time favorite solution, white vinegar. It has acidic properties which can easily eat through any grime and stains present on the glass surface. Whether it is your windows, inside and out, or your mirror on the wall, you can bet that vinegar will make the area gleam like new. It's easy to prepare a solution and very easy to use it. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it on a microfiber cloth or towel. Wipe with the towel, cloth. You will find this method for cleaning glass surfaces to be quite effective. Thanks to this simple cleaning solution, you will never need any other product. It is guaranteed to work every single time. Your smiling reflection in the glass mirror surface will be proof of a successful job. Go vinegar power! Stay tuned for more useful tips on our channel. Comment on what you'd like to see more of. We would appreciate it even more if you share this video with your friends. Check the description below for more videos.